when bomb holders fail in their missions.
Put the bag down now! Put the bag down now! Put the bag down now! Drop the bag, do it now!
When bombers succeed at their missions, the consequences can be unimaginable. In a heartbeat, lives are changed forever, and families are left in turmoil. These moments serve as a haunting reminder of the unpredictability of life. Let's explore 3 striking cases that highlight the true cost of failure in the world of chaos. Case number 1. Filmed in Northampton, United Kingdom, on May 24th.
Armed police, drop that bag now!
A man in UK called the police and said he was taking a bomb to a police station.
Drop the bag, do it now! Buddy, drop the bag! Drop the bag, mate, and we can talk to you. What's in the bag? A bomb.
And you can put the bag down, come and get the cigarette, and you can go back to the corner. All right?
All right, I've got the cigarette.
You got the cigarette?
I've got the cigarette.
Armed officer attend Weston Favell police station to find the man standing outside wearing a rucksack.
All right, we'll put it on this corner here.
That's all right.
And then we'll move back. All right, we'll put it here for you.
There's a cigarette in there, mate, yeah? Have you got a lighter or not? There's a lighter in there, okay?
As soon as the suspect took his hand out of the bag, officers move in to safely detain him.
Right, then we'll move back. You can have that, but put the bag down before you come and get it, all right?
Okay, hands out the bag. Let's detain him. Let's detain him now. Let's detain him. Let's go. Put the bag down now.
Put the bag down now! Put the bag down now!
Put it down!
Put it down! Get the bag off him. Get the bag off him. Right. Get him on the floor. Lay on your front, Jay.
The bag is later found to contain only clothes. Case number 2. Filmed in Leeds, United Kingdom, on January 20th.
What I need you to do is follow my instructions very carefully.
This video shows the moment Mohammed Farouk told armed police he was carrying a bomb.
Okay, very good. Just keep your hands there, all right? Have you got anything on your person that I need to know about? Okay, do us a favour and come towards us. Okay? Now we're going to put you some handcuffs to keep you safe and everyone around you safe.
Come to the front of the bonnet. Come to the bonnet here, mate. Come to the front of the bonnet here.
Okay, just come here.
Good man. So, keep your hands up bonnet for us, pal. Yeah, that's fine. Keep your hands up bonnet there. Sound. Cheers, pal. Just going to take hold of your hands, alright, pal? Alright, bud.
Right, so
Yeah, subject secure, mate.
You understand why we've been called?
You, Mohammed?
Yeah?
Are you alright? How are you feeling? Huh? What's this pistol you might have? Have you got a gun? It's somewhere. It's alright. Lower you. Lower.
You keep hold of him.
Yeah. What's going on tonight, buddy? Huh?
I don't know.
Look, mate.
I'm not good, seriously.
No. Listen, I'm not here to give you any aggro. We're just here to... Obviously, there's something that's going wrong in your life or whatever, and what's going on, man? Huh? Do you need to speak to someone, bud? Is that what you need?
Anything else we need to know about? To keep myself and my colleagues, everything else safe. Okay?
There's a bag there, it's got a bomb in it.
What's in it?
There's a bomb inside.
There's a bomb inside of
But
it.
it's not live, it's not live.
It's not what?
There's a bomb inside it, but it's not live. What is it? What's it made from?
Pressure cooker.
A pressure cooker. And what's in it?
So it's not live.
Gunpowder.
There's gunpowder in a pressure cooker. So it's a pressure cooker with gunpowder inside it.
It's what?
It's a pressure cooker that's filled with gunpowder, apparently.
What's going on, Mohammed? Why have you got all this on you?
I need to thoroughly search this gentleman. There's gunpowder in his pockets and blanks.
Farouk denies preparing acts of terrorism, although he has admitted a number of other offenses with intent to endanger life or cause serious injury to property. Case number 3. Filmed in Flagler County, Florida, on October 25th.
Your tag expired on the 21st. Don't.
Deputies in Flagler County arrested a man after they said they found a live grenade inside a truck during a traffic stop on Monday.
I thought I had the end of the month.
Expires on midnight.
They sent us a letter, and my wife, she gets the tags for the car and the truck.
Yeah.
And she told me, well, I got till November, like 10. And I said, well, go down today and get them. She's going down to Plaquemine today to get them.
Okay.
And she's waiting on me to get back. I got to run to Daytona and get some parts for this truck.
Okay. What takes you this way?
Well, I thought it was a shortcut there.
Oh, okay.
Ain't there a shortcut there? Yeah, there is.
To Daytona?
Yeah. No, I'm just going to 92. But I'm trying to get on the backside to stay out of the traffic.
Okay, gotcha.
I hate traffic.
Gotcha, me too.
You guys into oysters?
No, I'm not. Is that where you're headed?
My brother, I'm going to get parts for the truck. I was going over to get parts.
Okay.
You want to just do me a favor, boss? I'm gonna have you step out here with us.
I can't believe I'm being arrested for suspended license. Man. Yeah.
That too tight for you, boss?
Cut the circulation off on one of them. A little bit.
Show 313. Yeah, 313.
Did it say why Georgia was suspended?
Nope, just that it was suspended.
214, you ready for the second 28?
He said he knew he needed to do something in Georgia for about a week now. He knew to be able to
6 Classic
get
Court North, number 6 Classic Court North. I believe CPR
get a
is going to be
license. Inmate release status for cocaine, so it makes sense.
On teletype.
Oh shoot, is this for real? Let's throw this to the side. Oh god, get away, get away.
Back out real
Just
quick.
back out.
Cloth.
Get out of the truck for a second.
Just get out of the truck.
Get out of the truck. It looked like a possible grenade. I have no idea. I just opened that up. I don't know if it's fake or...
Grenade?
Yeah. Hey, Gib, I'm going to have him go ask him.
Yeah.
About it. Hold on a second. I don't... Do you... I really don't care about the Mirandizing of it. It's for our safety.
Yeah.
So don't worry about that. Just ask him, is this a... What does he know about this grenade? Is it live or not? Is there any more grenades, explosives in there?
You know anything about this grenade over here?
Yeah, it's your collector. That's all it is.
Is it, I mean, is it
Is it live?
legit grenade?
I didn't ready to check. I mean, I just found it.
You just found... Where did you find it at? Because nobody wants to get hurt in an old...
In an old house.
Okay. How long have you had it for?
Probably 3 or 4 years.
3 or 4 years, and it's been riding in the back there?
Yeah, it just stays in the toolbox. I mean,
Okay.
I was trying to find somebody collecting them.
Okay. So you don't know if it's like a live...
Boom, boom,
I
or
never
nothing.
had to check.
Okay.
Okay.
Are there any other ones besides that?
No.
Just that one?
That's the
Okay.
only thing. I mean,
Deputies said 65-year-old Louis Branson was pulled over for an expired tag. When the deputy said he learned his license had been expired since 2019, he searched his truck and found drug paraphernalia and the grenade. And with that, we've covered all 3 unbelievable cases. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more viral body cam stories.